Have you ever wondered if you can actually beat the stock market? Let's look at the efficient market hypothesis. The efficient market hypothesis, or EM, is a theory that suggests asset prices reflect all available information. Statistics often show that the vast majority of professional fund managers fail to beat the broader market over long periods. The theory relies on the idea that information spreads instantly, meaning assets are always priced fairly based on what we know. This creates a divide between those who prefer simple, low-cost index funds and those who believe they can find hidden value in stocks. Comparing strategies, passive index investing often produces more reliable results for the average person compared to active trading. As Benjamin Graham famously noted, market prices may fluctuate wildly on sentiment, but reality eventually catches up over time. Whether markets are truly efficient or not, keeping costs low is a strategy that works for many. Like and subscribe for more.